What's up, guys? This is Will and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the HUAWEI Mate SE. I'm going to unbox this and take a look at it, give you my first impressions of this device. This is my first HUAWEI product, so I'm anxious and kind of excited to get this device and try it out. But here's the box. As you can see, some HUAWEI branding there. And that's about it. Nice looking box, white box. Let's check it out. Like I said, my first time using a HUAWEI product, and it's probably not going to be the last because I've heard and seen some great videos about this product. It seems to be a great device. I went with the gold color. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but it also comes in gray. Let's see what else we got in the box here. So you do have a SIM card ejection tool right there. There it is there. Not going to take it out of there. You get your quick start guide. Throw that to the side there. You do get a case. Wow, that's nice. For them to include a case with it. And let's take a look at it and see what it is. Just a clear gel skin type case, which is always good to have in the box. You do get your charging cable here. Now this is not this is a micro USB. This is not type C charging, and you do get your charging brick right here, and I do believe this is quick charge. So and that's all in the box. So HUAWEI put a pretty good do at least include a case on it, so that's nice right there. So let's take a look at the phone, and then I'll go over a few more specs that I know about the phone. This is running a Kirin 659 64-bit processor. So here's the device here. It's got a stick on the back of it. Let's get that off of there. Put that sticker right there. Okay, so here's the color of it. Wow. Now this is nice. Reminiscent of the iPhone iPhone 7 Plus and 6. Definitely looks a lot like that. I got my iPhone here, but it's in a case, so you can't really compare to this is the 8 right here, so it's got a glass back on it, but in a future video I'll do a little comparison right there. Feels good in the hand. It doesn't feel real big. This has a 5.93 inch display on it with the 18:9 aspect ratio. Let's go around it here. So you got your volume up and down, your power button, your speaker, USB type C. You do have your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, SIM card tray, your dual speakers here, dual cameras and flash, 16 megapixel and a 2 megapixel, and you do have your fingerprint sensor right there. And on the front, the camera on the front is a 8 megapixel. Your earpiece and some HUAWEI branding right there. But this is a good looking device. Let me go ahead and power it on. I've been watching videos. I kind of watch Floss videos, Phone Tech at Work, and some of those guys. So go check out their channels. Shout out to those guys for making those videos about this device, and kind of pushed me towards getting this device. I was looking at this and a few others, but I decided after seeing their videos to pick this up. So it's pretty nice feeling in the hand. And I'm anxious to use this. This has the, and I want to make sure the MUI, I think it's called. That's what it uses. And this is running 7.0 Nougat out of the box, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to pause it, throw some information in it, and come back and take a look at it. Here's the startup screen. Okay, guys, we're back in it. Got past all the startup information and all that. Been kind of playing around with the phone a little bit. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. So far, speedy, very speedy. Gonna be looking forward to using this a few days, and then come back and give you my thoughts and first impressions, initial impressions. Well, first impressions on using it. But so far, I like the screen on it. The screen is very colorful. Let's go in here. Let's go into the settings and take a look at and see what it's running out of the box. I said it was running 7.0, but let's go down and see. Yeah, Android version 7.0. So, yeah, man. So this is going to be my first HUAWEI product, and I'm excited about using it. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch y'all in the next video.